I recently traveled to London and captured some incredible monuments. But when I imported the photos into Lightroom, I noticed one tiny mistake that completely ruined my photo timeline. This photo of Big Ben exposed the issue instantly. The clock showed the correct London time, but my camera was still set to the Indian Standard Time. So every single photo was captured 5.5 hours ahead. Thankfully, Lightroom Classic makes this super easy to fix. First, select all the photos with the incorrect timestamp. Then go to Metadata and choose Edit Capture Time. Since London is 5.5 hours behind IST, I simply shift the capture time backward by 5 hours and 30 minutes. And just like that, the entire timeline is perfectly organized again. A tiny setting mistake while traveling, but an incredibly useful Lightroom fix to know. Follow for more Lightroom Classic tips and real-world photography workflows.